legal house legal expert, attorney Tom Olsen. This is Olsen on Law.
Alan Spector back with you, joined now by longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olsen. Every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, he joins us for Olsen on Law. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
Tom, in our last few segments, we've been talking about wills, and we have another question regarding that today. Our topic is, what does it take to challenge someone's last will and testament? How often do you have someone ask you, Tom, about challenging a will, and what do you tell them?
Alan, I get those calls quite often, and the first thing I ask the caller is, have you seen a copy of the will? If you have, I want to look at it. If I look at that will and it was prepared by an attorney and witnessed by the attorney's office, then it's rock solid. If it's a homemade will, and by the way, it leaves everything to the neighbor and the neighbor's friends and family witness that will, then it's automatically suspect.
What does it take to make a valid will here in Florida?
Well, first of all, the person must be competent, meaning that they understand what they own, what their assets are, and who their potential heirs are. Then after that, that will must be signed by the person and have at least two witnesses to it.
Does a will ever expire?
No, a will does not expire, but keep in mind that whenever you do a new will, it automatically revokes any and all prior wills.
All right, a couple more questions here, Tom. Does a will get filed or recorded, and who keeps the original?
Alan, the will does not get filed or recorded at the Olsen Law Group. The client will leave with the original will, but we also keep a signed copy of their will at our office.
If you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will be happy to answer them. On the Olsen on Law show, you can hear that Saturdays at 10 a.m. here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. You can also catch the Zoom version of Tom and me on our social media platforms. Tom, as always, thanks, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call